Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Section 3.9, organize your worksheets the way you want. You may want to rearrange the order of worksheets in a workbook. If you have a separate worksheet for each sales region, for example, arranging the worksheets in alphabetical order might be helpful. You can also move a worksheet from workbook to another and create copies of worksheets either in the same workbook or in a different workbook. You can move a worksheet in the following ways. Right-click the Sheet tab and choose Move or Copy to display the Move or Copy dialog box, shown here on the right side. Use this dialog box to specify the location for the sheet. You can move or rearrange your worksheets via the ribbon. From the ribbon, choose Home, Cells, Format, Move or Copy Sheets. This shows the same dialog box as the previous method. Click the Worksheet tab and drag it to its desired location. When you drag, the mouse pointer changes to a small sheet icon and a small arrow indicates where the sheet will be placed, and you release the mouse. To move a worksheet to a different workbook by dragging, both worksheets must be visible. Here are a few examples moving worksheets. First, we will insert two worksheets. Remember, hit the plus button, hit the plus button. We have two new worksheets, sheet 2, sheet 3. Highlight sheet 2 with your mouse. Just hold your mouse key down, move to the right. You see that arrow, how it moves to the right. And sheet 2 has moved over to the right. Sheet 3, again, just click, move to the right. If you want sheet 1 and sheet 2 over to the right of sheet 3, simply highlight sheet 1, hold down your shift key, and you can see how both move to the right. You can do the same, hit control, highlight both, and move to the left, and sheet 1, sheet 2 move left or right. You can move worksheets doing the home, going from up in the ribbon, hit the Home tab, go to the right, Cells, Format, then Move or Copy Sheets.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Out. Williams out.